Blindness is an important symptom. So see whether your young kid looking this and that side, whether perfectly or not. So what are the causes really if you have something in suspicion? So commonly the chronic hypertension with its sequelae, the commonly CKD, chronic kidney disease, renovascular hypertension. Some of the chronic vascular diseases like your vasculitis group as a whole that may have blindness in the little bit grown up child maybe. So these children should have fundoscopy basically. The findings in fundoscopy that suggest the your papilledema, the narrowing in hypertension is the narrowing of the vessels, retinal edema, flame-shaped hemorrhage, cotton wool hemorrhage, and infarction. The papilledema and then silver or copper wire appearance. So these changes are reversible. So doing an ophthalmoscopy by a clinician is essential. Knowing to do it, and also if you do not cannot, we can refer to an ophthalmologist who are acquainted with this sort of data. So long-standing hypertension and can have when there is reverse can have the reversible blindness. At times, when these things been replaced by fibrosis, you do not have the reversibility, you may not have these things. So apart from that, coarctation of aorta, pheochromocytoma, so and finally diabetic nephropathy, they are also to be kept in mind. So in the grown-up child, mostly obese adolescents, and your other metabolic syndrome, dyslipidemia, and your and other issues, they are to be examined for the diabetic retinopathy, where you have myocardial aneurysm, where you have venous dilatation, the retinal hemorrhage and exudates, and your new vascularization, proliferation of the fibrosis and scarring. So measuring BP of each child during each visit and looking for the hypertension, diabetes, and taking care of the underlying cause is essential. Current days, one should not forget this part. Only the communicable diseases, children, they are decreasing throughout the globe. So now the coming days are the perhaps the non-communicable diseases NCD. So thereby looking after this part is so essential.